took a piece of diamond plate steel and drilled 4 holes in it so we could bolt it to the nylon threads in the bottom of this spray tank. And then we welded these to the crossbar of the tractor itself, and then welded this 1 inch so it'll slide in there, kind of like a trailer hitch. And reinforced this outer edge with an extra piece of, or I'm sorry, the leading edge we reinforced with a 1/2 inch piece of, I guess we got 1.5 inches, 1 3/4, and 1 inch. And then we moved the switch. The switch was connected to a thing with alligator clips, and we moved the switch on the other side of this connector. It used to be on this side, and then we cut the alligator clips off, and we put some we put a couple of these on there, and then we took some self-tapping screws and just drilled right into the top of the battery terminal and slid those speaker clips under there, and then tightened it the rest of the way down. So now this guy can drive along in his tractor. He can turn the internal pump on, and here's the wand, and he can just mosey along in his tractor and spray some weed killer. And in case you're wondering, when the bucket comes up, there's plenty of clearance here. It's a fun project.